Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Peg. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my sleek low bun. So I usually do a middle or a side part. Today I'm gonna go with a side part. I don't like to do it too deep, so my side, like my line, is gonna be here. And I'm gonna tangle my hair, and then what I like to do is spray a little bit of water, but just on top of my hair so that it can get really sleek. And then before applying my gel like directly to my hair, I like to use some kind of cream. I'm gonna use this one from Cream of Nature, their Argan Oil line. It's the Creamy Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion. It looks like that. So this is what I'm gonna put on my hair. Let's start with that. So I'm just applying that as well on top of my hair. Smells very good. Then it's gonna be time for my gel. So I normally use this one from Eco Styler, the Argan Oil one as well, but today I want to try a new gel. It's from Extreme. Well, it's not a new gel, but it's a new gel for me. So I heard a lot of good things from this one. It's the blue one, and I'm gonna apply that on top of my hair. Smells like candy. Feels good. It's really soft. Okay, and then I'm gonna brush everything with a soft brush. So I don't do a lot to the back of my hair just because I have relaxed hair and it's already sleek. But if you need to, like, you can gel down the back of your hair. Look at the shine. Okay, then I'm just gonna apply a little bit more to like the front part here, not quite the edges, but the front part. And a little bit at the top to remove like all the little flyaways. And then take my brush again. I like to put like a little bit of hair down. I don't even know if y'all can see it, but it looks good. Okay, now let me do my edges. I'm gonna use this one from Curls. with an edge brush. Like very simple. Looks good to me. Okay, now for the bun part. So I'm just gonna separate that into two and just like roll it like that. And then secure that. Yeah, and that's how my bun's gonna look. I have a bit of flyaways here, but yeah, so that's it. That's how I make my quick, sleek, low bun. I hope you like it, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, to comment, to share this video with all your friends. Don't forget to watch one of the videos that I posted before. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in another one. Bye, guys.